Thibitari wa Gitugi gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia Mathioya uratuire uri muhinge na gucungiriria muingi guthinika kimatha motungata ma urigiti makiria atumia aritu. No riu bururi wa Finland ni unyitanire na thirikari ya kaunti ya Murang'a na kwandandura thibitari uyu na oho kugathika macini cia kiriu.
Turakeirwo a newborn maternal unit, kwina antenatal ward, postnatal ward na delivery room na machine ciothe cia kirathi kia level 4 hospitals.
Gavana wa Murang'a Irungu Kang'ata ni atugiritie unyitaniri uyu na honge ingi niguo kuhura njeki tabarira cia uthii wa na mbere.
Turahotire ku upgrade tunyitanire na thirikari ya Finland na ndio muhimu na facility ni mission ni the best thing wa county in terms of facility.
Urugamiriri wa bururi wa Finland ugite wina tabarira ingi itanyihiire 20 ciratwarithio na mbere kaunti-ini itiganite.
So we were contacted by the Ministry of Health, Afya House, to do this project along with 19 other facilities. Altogether there's 20 facilities. And all of them are renovation projects or new construction projects for mother and child care. So our focus was on improving the mother and child services in this community.
Gukiri uguo MCA wa wodi ya Gitugi Edwin Wairagu ahinyiriirie muingi makiria atumia guthiaga clinic riria mohanda niguo kwagaga kuiga miturire yao na ciana ciao gwatine.
Mutumia muritu agia na mwana agia na nda agoka guthondeka guku akagĩa na mwana uko na njira njega. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma Gitugi Mathioya kaunti ya Murang'a, ritwa riakwa ni Victor Kinuthia.